Hi there, IB students! It's Gabriel here, back again with another essential tutorial. Today I'm gonna break down the topic that's crucial for all IB coursework, the IB citing guide. Knowing how to correctly cite and reference is not just about avoiding plagiarism. It's about giving credit where it's necessary and providing a structured document for those who will read our coursework and want to track our research. So, whether you're on the EE, IA or TOK currently, this guide will definitely help you out. And hey, if you found our content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. Every idea has an origin. Someone, some time ago, like weeks, months or years before us, came up with something. Then it got credited in the science world and we're using it as a source of current knowledge. And in academic writing, acknowledging this origin is a must. Citing and referencing allows your readers to verify the sources you've consulted, explore further information, and understand how your ideas were born. It demonstrates respect for the intellectual property of others and enhances your work's credibility. It's also what IB requires you to do, so you simply need to follow it to get the top grade. So, what you should cite? In short, everything that's not your original thought or common knowledge. This includes direct quotes, paraphrased ideas, statistics, theories, and even specific methodologies that influence your research. Remember, when in doubt, cite it out. It's always better to oversight than to commit plagiarism, which will harm your grades. In writing any of your IB essays, where exactly in text you cite is crucial, so you simply need to cite at the right moment. You'll need to cite sources when directly quoting someone, summarizing or paraphrasing someone else's ideas, or when specific information requires backing. However, it's not just about dropping a citation anywhere. It needs to be integrated into your narrative, enhancing your argument rather than disrupting it. What I mean by that is well shown in this example, but a quick reminder about the footnotes: they should usually come after the punctuation mark, like a dot. There we can see how seamlessly the student cites the sources for required vitamin C daily intake, which supports his paragraph well. That's what you're looking for. Then we move to the next very important matter: how exactly you should cite. The key here is consistency. You can choose one of the most popular citing styles like MLA, APA or Chicago, or go for any other style, but remember to stick to it throughout your entire coursework. Include in-text citations to mark where you've used someone else's ideas, and a bibliography at the end to list all your sources. Remember, each citation site has its own rules, so consult the official guides or trusted academic resources to get it right. Look at our example from the previous video, where we explained how to cite ChatGPT. And as you can see, each citing style has its own unique requirements. We also posted this on our Instagram page, so feel free to check it out if you missed anything. The most common mistakes include citing incorrectly, like mixing citation styles, forgetting to include page numbers for quotes, and neglecting to cite paraphrased information. To avoid this, keep precise notes during your research, including page numbers and authors. And before submitting your work, double-check your citations against your chosen style guide. A little attention to detail goes a long way, and it will be rewarded when your essay is marked. There you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to IB citing and referencing. Remember, citing and referencing are not just formalities, they're required by the IB and show that you understand and respect the ones before you. Don't forget to subscribe to Clastify Tutorials for more insights, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or just want to share your thoughts. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.